Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit a TikTok video after you've already posted it. So guys, I made a video concerning this some time ago and I shared the method to you guys on how you can edit your video after you've posted it. But now TikTok has actually updated their app and now there is a feature that you can use to edit your post after you've posted it. So guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to open your TikTok app, tap on it to launch it. So guys, sorry for that, I had to reduce the volume. Then you go over to your TikTok profile. You do that by tapping on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. And so guys, let's say this is the video that you posted. This is the video you want to edit. Maybe you made a mistake in the cover, or you made a mistake in the description of the video or the caption of the video. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on the three dots there. You can see it there below. You tap on it. Over here we have three sections. This one, the upper one, the middle one and the lower one. Where you're going to get the edit post option is on the third one, which is the lower one. So you have to scroll to the left. So guys, you can see the edit post option there. All you have to do is to tap on the edit icon, tap on it. So guys, this is what the edit interface looks like. You can see now you can go ahead to edit your description. Maybe you want to add something to the video that you initially forgot, you can go ahead to add it. Let me say, this music is awesome. You can see now I've added something to the description, and maybe you want to add some other hashtags. You can go ahead to add other hashtags. Let me add hashtag viral and also hashtag TikTok Emmy. So guys, you can see it now. Also guys, you can also edit your cover. Let me show you guys how you can do it. Just tap on that option that you see below where it is written edit cover. Tap on it. So guys, you can see now the edit cover are loading. You can see you can go ahead to choose whichever cover that you want to choose. You can see the difference. So let me choose this one here. I like this one. So guys, you can also select a cover and add a text. You can choose from this list over here. So let me choose the glitch option. Let me add a text to my cover. Add awesome. So guys, you can see now I've added the awesome. So once you're done with all of this editing, you tap on save. So guys, also you can also edit your location. Maybe you added the wrong location. All you have to do is to tap on the location icon. Then you can see here there are different locations where you can choose. You can also search out your own location if you want to. You can just search it over. Search for Port Harcourt. You can see it, Port Harcourt, Rivers, Nigeria. So guys, as you can see, I've changed my location. So guys, once you're done with all of the editing, what you have to do now is to tap on save. But before we tap on save, let's get to read what is written here. You can edit your description and cover once a day. Edits can be made within 7 days of posting. What this means is that after you post a video on TikTok, you'll be able to edit that video until 7 days. That means after 7 days of posting that video, you won't be able to edit the video again. So guys, once you're done with all of this, all you have to do now is to tap on save. So let me tap on save. So guys, you can see now edit saved. So guys, as you can see now, our video has been edited. You can see the description has changed, and also if you go back now, you'll be able to see that our TikTok cover, you can see the cover has changed already. You can see it there. So guys, this is how you actually edit your video after you've posted it, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.